From zero to hero, harnessing Google Business Profiles for success. A Google Business Profile is a free and easy-to-use tool provided by Google that allows businesses to showcase their information directly on Google Search and Google Maps. It's essentially the online face of your business, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Learn about your business name, address, phone number, hours of operation offerings, and more. You can also create a website for your business, post updates, photos, respond to reviews, and even interact with your customers. How to create an outstanding profile. Setting up Google Business Profile is simple and easy. All you need is a Google account, and you're ready to go. Managing and updating your profile. Once you've set up your Google Business Profile, you can start managing and updating it. Benefits of having a profile. It significantly boosts your online visibility. Imagine appearing prominently on Google Search and Maps whenever someone searches for a product or service you offer. It builds trust and credibility. When customers see a well-curated business profile with reviews, photos, and accurate information, they feel confident in choosing your business. Tips and tricks for optimization. Encourage and respond to customer reviews promptly. Don't forget to add relevant keywords to your description and posts. Regularly update your photos and posts to keep your profile fresh and engaging. Leverage Google Insights to gain valuable data about your profile's performance. Thank you for watching.